The sun is bright. The sun is bright in the sky so high. It warms the earth, oh so nice. I feel its rays on my face. In the morning, it's a warm embrace. I love my cat. I love my cat, she's soft and small. She purrs and plays, against the wall. She has a tail and furry paws. I love my cat, she has no flaws. Raindrops falling from the sky. On the ground, they gently lie. I hear them tap on my window pane. It's a soothing sound, like a gentle refrain. My family. In my home, my family's dear. We laugh and talk, we're always near. Mom, Dad, sister, and me. Together we're happy, a joyful spree. The moon at night. The moon comes out when it's dark outside. It's like a silver boat on the midnight tide. Stars twinkle around it, a sparkling sight. I love the moon, it fills the night with light. The butterfly's flight. A butterfly so colorful and bright. Flits and floats in the soft sunlight. It dances on flowers, a joyful sight. Nature's beauty, pure delight. Baking cookies. In the kitchen, we mix and stir. Flour and sugar, a tasty blur. Baking cookies, the scent is divine. They're ready to eat, come and dine. Playing in the park. At the park, we run and play. Swings and slides, all day, hooray. Friends together, having fun. Under the warm, shining sun. The kitten's nap. A kitten curls up in a cozy bed, resting its furry, little head. It dreams of mice and yarn to chase. In its dreams, it's in a playful place. A rainbow in the sky. After the rain, in the sky so high, a rainbow appears, stretching wide. Colors of red, orange, yellow, and blue. A magical arch, a beautiful view. The rainbow bridge. Across the sky, a bridge so bright. Colors shining in the light. Red, orange, yellow, green. The prettiest rainbow I've ever seen. My friendly neighbor. Next door lives my friendly neighbor. Always smiling, with good behavior. We chat over the garden's fence. Sharing stories, it makes sense. A day at the beach. Sand between my toes, oh so grand. At the beach, in the soft, warm sand. Waves come and go, with a gentle sound. Building castles, fun all around. The talking trees. In the forest, the trees can speak. In whispers soft and voices meek. They tell stories of days gone by. Beneath the open, endless sky. The happy songbird. Up in the tree, a songbird sings. Its melody soars on joyful wings. Its tune is merry, a cheerful sound. Spreading happiness all around. A picnic in the park. We spread a blanket on the ground. In the park, where laughter's found. Sandwiches, fruit, and lemonade. A perfect picnic, in the shade. The friendly ants. Tiny ants in a marching line. Working hard, it's quite a sign. They carry crumbs with all their might. A teamwork spectacle, quite a sight. A starry night. At night, I gaze at the starry sky, counting stars as they go by. They twinkle and shimmer in the dark. A celestial masterpiece, like a work of art. My little garden. In my garden, flowers bloom. Their colors chase away the gloom. With sunshine, water, and a loving touch. My little garden means so much. The butterflies dance. Butterflies in the meadow, a colorful dance. They flutter and twirl in elegant romance. Wings of blue, orange, and gold. Nature's ballet, a sight to behold.